Welcome to the part 3 of the Riverpoint Writer tutorial. Today we're going to go into different aspects of a paper and where a professor will want, and also review the citations that we want to make. We're going to go straight to Riverpoint Writer on our desktop, double click, and where the program will open automatically. As you see, it says create a paper, open a paper, but we're going to go down where it says create a paper and head down to where it clicks this paper requires an abstract. We're going to create our paper. We're going to put the title of the paper, general aspects, already has our name. Remember, if you need to add another student's name, you put down the name and you go comma, space, the name of the person. If it's not needed, just stay with your name. We're going to go to course number, GEN 602, the due date, which will be today, July 3, 214, faculty name. This time we're going to use Professor Joe Schmo, and press OK. Page 3 is where you start your paper. However, when we are creating an abstract, page 2 is where the abstract is going to lie. So therefore, we see our cover page where it says running head on the top left, general aspects, on the top right, page 1, the name of the title, student name, course number or course name, the day that the paper is due, and the name of the professor, instructor, and or doctor. And we head down to the abstract. The abstract, it's already set in the middle, so we're going to type out we're going to highlight all of this, and what we're going to do is that we are going to block and then get out of here, right click, the order of words, undo comma, insert a comma here. Took off the word based. We head down, we type in key, words, aspects, leaves, society, religion, the abstract. You will do a summary that could be anywhere between 40 to 100 words, and then at the end you will create a section of keywords, and that's what the it's just a summary of the paper, and then we do a set of keywords that are the keywords that a professor will be looking for throughout the paper. We head down to page 3 now. Technically it's the second page of our text, and we hit enter. right after when we go back, let me go back again where it says general aspects, we hit enter and it's already indented. At that point, what I'm going to do is the following. I'm going to head out and I'm going to go to my documents for a second, and I'm going to open some papers just to go anywhere. So, and this one paper is asking me for the macros, which is basically Riverpoint Writer to open in another paper. And I'm going to click OK, enable content. This is just from an annual reports paper. And this is my thesis. I'm just going to click here, press copy, head back to my other paper, and paste. As you can see, this is my thesis. In this case, my thesis was over 206 words in a annual financial reports paper between two airliners. And I'm going to head down and just press enter because I'm going to use the same paper to give you an example of a citation. An example of the citation. We're going to go down as much as possible. I'm going to highlight, copy, and paste. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and eliminate this source, because I'm going to create a source that comes from a organization or governmental report or any type of report. So if you don't mind, I'm going to take off that part. I'm going to highlight risks. End quote risk. Create a space. Create an added reference. And since there's a report, we're going to go to a web page. That web page will say there's no author. The document title will be report. Airlines, the organization will be the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, and the website is a report or brochure site. Hence, this one will be a report. The update will be 2013, and it's going to be fall, and we're going to go www.sec.gov 2013 docs airlines report.pdf. It's simple. If you go to the website and you just copy and paste on top of the website address and just insert it right here on the writer. It's going to create the reference, and as we see at the bottom, it's going to say United States Securities and Exchange Commission. We'll fix that. 2013 fall, 2013 report, airlines, and retrieve from the site. We're going to go back here, go back to where the word risks, I'm going to go up a little bit, where risk is located, and we're going to right click, insert citation, insert. I'm going to fix the word commission. This is what's very good about spell check. First of all, it was asking me to. Oh, there we go. We unclick. We go back here, commission, bring that end quote close, and we are done. I'm going to use another source here. These sources, we're going to go here that you see DAL 1231 2012, comma 2012, page 12. If it's possible to put in the page number, you go ahead and do it, okay? And this is what we are going to do here. We're going to make a space, create a space here. Create we're going to go to web page. I type in Delta Airlines 2012 financial report. The organization or website name will be Delta Airlines. It is a report, so I won't do. Vol www.dal, which is the Delta Airlines Corporation website .com # 212 reports 212 FIN PDF. I'm going to create that reference. Right click, insert, and if you want to put the page number, what we're going to do is going to click on Delta Airlines, and where it says 2012, we're going to make a space, and we're going to go P.12, page 12. Insert. And that is it. And we're going to right click again to bring that spacing and have that established. What we're going to do is that sometimes you're allowed to do a capital P, but preferably a small p, and then we could do that work. Also, it's acceptable to put another comma after the year to separate things. And as you can see, the references are done in alphabetical order for your convenience. You have the abstract, you have the general aspects, the cover page. Now, however, what if a professor wants you to put down a title to the paragraph? We're just going to press enter at the end of the paragraph, and we're going to right click, and it's going to say title page editor, create and add a reference, add a paragraph heading title. In this case, we're going to put extensive reports. I'm going to put that in that section, and it pops up. We always click first level. Want to bring the paper up. I'm going to press enter. As you see, it's out of formatting. We highlight and we go align left on the top of the toolbar on Microsoft Word. We go back to the first word also and press tab. And there you have it. Sometimes professors will ask you to create a paragraph title for either a specific question or aspect or things that he's looking for. I want you to answer so-and-so, so you're going to speak about that so-and-so. I want you to mention about financial reports, the company's financial reports. So you're going to put JetBlue financial report or Delta financial report, or in the case of human resources, aspects of human resources, philosophy of human resource, definition of human resources. But just follow the syllabus, follow the professor's instructors, because if he doesn't ask for that stuff, it's unnecessary. If he wants it, it's because he wants it, and that is it. Most of your papers are just going to be nice and simple. That'll be all for now. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.